Let's see
Hey
if
Andrew,
part two will go up. Yeah.
I will be back in just a little bit. My dad just texted me, told me I have to mow the lawn, so I'll be back in like 15, 20 minutes.
Okay.
Alright, so just continue to stream. I'll be back. Alright, bye.
Okay. All right.
Alright.
We are back. I had a bunch of stream difficulties. You gotta love it. Yeah, thanks, Colin. Jake's gonna be gone for a few minutes, so we're just gonna be sitting here for a little bit and watching the storm near kind of Pangram kind of really start to take off for a little bit here. Um, Possible funnel cloud over Y City, Arkansas. But yeah, this is actually working again.
Cells still organized.
Well, yeah, shows what is happening in the air. What does? I have no clue what you're talking about. I'm just gonna be honest, Colin. But yeah, hoping I can get everybody back in here that was in here. So we had like 3 or 4 people in here, but maybe not. I don't know. I wasn't there for too long. Um, okay, but now we have a dire situation to really watch. It's this storm near Pangram. 30,000 feet tops now on it, basically, so that's not a good thing. It's probably gonna go. It's gonna be our first big time severe storm today. Oh, thanks, Colin. Thanks, man. What I was gonna do is go over to missile scale analysis before everything crashed. Uh, Let me go over to the YouTube area. There we go. Okay, now we are on the Chrome. So let's look at missile scale analysis. Kind of take a look at it. Currently, we have so the surface space cape is actually higher than 2,000. It's actually 3,000 at Little Rock right here. So we have a little bit more instability than what the RAP was thinking. Mixed layer cape though is about on point, so that's probably what I'm going to be showing because the mixed layer cape in this area is right on point. I think the main favorable corridor right now is anywhere really in here with anything. Right now, at least. I think later tonight we're gonna get a more favorable corridor, probably in areas in here. Could get more favorable as well with northern extent. And by the way, that storm busted through the inversion in White County. So that storm in White County busted through the inversion. This thing is going to probably produce tornadoes if it can keep sustained itself. Southern Arkansas, Colin, I don't think you're going to get that much storms down there. Let's go see if there's anything on Twitter for us to look at right now. Alright, so, kind of just looking over that. Let's go on the College Due page, and then we can go to the SBC site and kind of pick ourselves out of here. Let's also look at the 3 Cape that we currently have across the region. We have 125, along with a lot of vorticity, especially along the warm front. The warm front is going to be an area you're really going to want to watch today. And the warm front's kind of stationed most likely right in here right now. So, everything in here is kind of stationed along it. So, we're going to have to watch kind of that green circle right now, see what really happens in there. Currently the LLJ Colin, it's about 35, 40 knots in the region and intensifying. Tornado on the ground doing damage southwest of Jonesboro. Near Cache. This thing is on the ground. I am going to be switching over to the radar screen right now because this is not good. This is the Memphis Tennessee radar. There's your tornado. On the ground near Grubbs. I have a picture of it. It's not very significant. And reflectivity. Let me show you the picture. Right now, there we go. That is your picture of your what's to be cone tornado right there. Quickly, we'll switch back here. This is the radar view right now. Does not look good on radar, but it's a tornado. Let's look at the CC. So there's nothing on CC yet with this thing, but this thing is going to be heading into a populated area, and we're really going to need to watch it. Just look at the ZDR CC combo. Oh yeah. Let me just look and see how this storm came about. Oh, it's had a nice updraft for a while. Is that velocity scan new yet? Oh, new velocity scan literally just came in. Nice. I also have somebody else who has a tornado on the ground. Let me show y'all this. He's probably not gonna care if it's showing. So let me just show y'all this tornado we have right now. Let me switch over. There it is. Very well defined tornado. Wow. I mean, that is a beautiful tornado. Let me switch over to Memphis radar again. Oh yeah, there's a report on Spotter Network 2 now of a tornado. That is not the Mississippi River column. That is someplace else. Oof. We have a big time problem with this storm that's west of or near Fort Smith. A couple problems. Yeah, everything's starting to really go. Very photogenic tornado currently. And I have a quick tweet come out about this. Very surprised this is not even tornado warned yet. Yeah, that is approaching the Jonesboro area, so that's something you're gonna need to watch as well. Not really gonna care about that right now, Colin, too much, to be honest with you. And there really isn't anything, so nothing to worry about, man. Where is the polygon for the tornado warning? There it is. So places like Egypt, Cache, Drillin, Ottawa, and Bono, they are in the risk of danger with this. We have a confirmed tornado, confirmed by weather spotters here. Yep, they got a tornado arbor column. Looking at Jeff Petrowski's alive right now. Very good tornado ongoing. I don't think it's on the ground anymore, though. Oh, wait. Is it? I don't think so. I can't really tell from that video if it's still down. Looks borderline right now. Currently, if we are even still got a tornado, but very interesting that Jeff Petrowski caught it. stuttering. Beautiful storm. And there are actually 2 tornado warnings. Nice job, Memphis. Let's go. That cell is so photogenic, dude. Wow. Let's look at the current VWP photographs now in a little bit here. Just we haven't had an updated full one in a little bit, which is sad. Oh, the storm in western Arkansas, the previously list tornado warning, looks pretty significant now. We're starting to get a hook echo on it, along with some decent rotation to watch out for. And a solid mid-level mezzo. Also, there is another supercell to watch. I think this is out by Lynn. I'm not sure which radar somebody was looking at it on in a server, but... Oh, yeah. There's going to be a new tornado probably by Lynn soon. Blue Mountain, where's that at? Where's Blue Mountain, Arkansas? But yeah, here's your supersonic cache. It looks like the tornado weakened on it for now. Let me just look quickly. Already some mini hooks in western Arkansas. Nice. Lots of mid-level mezzos off the radar there. Another tornado warning was just issued for kind of Cedric, that area. I'm not sure where that Boonville storm is. Oh, there it is. Okay, the Boonville storm is going to do it. That thing, let me switch over to the Fort Smith radar real quick. There's your supercell. That thing is getting a really good top with it. And thing is also really starting to take off velocity and reflectivity wise as well. So it's something to very much watch across the area. It really small, but the one I'm using is the National Weather Service radar. Nice. Let's see here. Let's look at the Little Rock radar just to see if we're missing anything. Looks like we're not really missing anything on the Little Rock radar right now, so we're just gonna stick with the Fort Smith and Memphis radars for now. Um, Official tornado report now in south of Cache. Funnel or possible tornado located near Bono, southwest of Bono. Here's forecasting. Boonville storm is starting to get its act together too now. Really good profile with it. 30,000 feet echo tops with it as well. Let's go back over to our what was confirmed tornado near Jonesboro for a second here, just so we can look at that storm. There's the radar right there. Okay, there you go. There's a little close look on it. Let me look at pivotal weather. I'm gonna quickly glance over the newest HRRR runs. I know the event's already ongoing, but I want to see what the soundings look like right now for it. We'll take one. No sounding data. Oh, there's no sounding data. Why don't I take a wrap sounding off the 21Z wrap real quick here. I could take a sounding right now. 21Z wrap right there by Crackhead. We'll take one right there. Let me. So sounding over there by that area is pretty significant. Really nice lapse rates too. Let me just look at this current wrap run. There's a bunch of storms firing in southwest Arkansas. Let me just look at the environment those are going to have to work with. Oh, wow. That's a lot of instability. Any questions, Colin? Texas, Oklahoma, Arkansas border shower popping up. Thoughts on the baby shower? Is it has something? not really gonna be worrying about that too much right now, Colin, to be honest with you. Mainly worried about these supercells that are really starting to go off in western Arkansas, central Arkansas, and northern Arkansas right now. And I'm not very worried about what's going to be happening in southwest Arkansas. I can see your concern, but not really going to be worrying about that right now, to be honest with you, man. Oh. Pressure falls are also starting to occur, which usually back the winds more. Um, Storm Chaser has a really good structure with that one. Just to the west. So there's one near Concord, I'm pretty sure. Walnut Ridge, maybe? Oh, yeah, the one near Black Rock has a really good structure, too. We're going to need to watch that one near Black Rock. We're going to be watching that storm near Black Rock right here. Starting to get some big time rotation with it. Storm Chaser with a nice wall cloud too. Jonesboro storm still looks interesting, I'll say. I'm going to see if we still have... Oh, wait, I freaking switched Jeff Petrowski. There we go. He is still live. Really nice structure on his live stream right now on Twitter. Kind of hard to tell what's happening right now on his vantage point. Let's look at the Fort Smith radar. Oof. Multiple storms that are really starting to take shape. Do I have it on there yet? Nope. We're going to switch over to Fort Smith right now. Why is it not showing up on my Google Chrome tab? That's Big L. Won't show up now with Google Chrome tab? Bruh. There's your Fort Smith radar right now. Okay, we have a Chrome tab now. Jeff Petrowski is currently kind of looking over his general options right now. ZDR presentation with that supercell near Blue Mountain is really significant. We also have a lot of other significant ZDR updrafts. These are going to be the storms to really watch out for, the ones that have a lot of ZDR with them. Multiple updrafts that are just going up right now, though. It got much bigger. It's going. The one in South Arkansas I'm watching. I wouldn't really be watching it right now. But that's just me. I'm watching everything else further west right now. Is this showing the radar right here? Okay, yeah, we're showing that radar. Let's currently look over. Oof. Our velocities are really starting to kick in with these storms, man. Big time. Big time. Big time, big time, big time. Everything's big time. Oh wow. That's pretty solid right here. Kind of near Oxine and Hollis. Not bad. Wall cloud in Logan County.
What's up, Andrew?
Jake, we had a tornado and we have multiple maturing supercells.
I saw both those things. I was listening to a stream while I was mowing the lawn.
Why weren't you listening to me while you
What?
were mowing the lawn? Why weren't you listening to me while you were mowing the lawn?
I was listening to Ryan Hall, y'all.
Oh, of course. We
Yeah.
have one supercell near Blue Mountain, another one near Y City, another one near Plainview, and then another one kind of near Norman, and then we have another one near Jonesboro, and another one near Walnut Ridge, and another one near Batesville. There's so many supercells firing.
Watch the one near Batesville. That thing looks like it's really maturing.
Oh yeah.
And it already has some rotation associated with it. As well as the one near Blue Mountain. That one looks...
The one near Batesville is gonna do something like really bad soon. I have a feeling, dude. That thing is getting its tops up really nicely right now, man.
Yeah, I feel like these cells are about to explode.
Only 22Z, you gotta remember that too, which is just scary.
Yeah.
And
Wow.
It just turned 22Z too.
Later today, I don't want to confuse.
Why are you playing that? Like I can hear.
It was an accident.
Okay.
Yeah, that one near Blue Mountain's really trying to go. Very skinny cell.
Um. Oh, Jeff Petrowski's stream ended. Oof. Let me look at these down here. Ooh. New ZDR scan too. Oh boy. Oh dude, this thing right here. This thing is starting to wrap up, Jake. Your
Which one?
magazine in Blue Mountain. Oh no.
Oh yeah. I mean, the one directly to its southeast is also starting to really go
It's
too.
been going for a bit now. Oof, that new
Yeah.
velocity scan. Oh
I'd also
jeez.
watch. I'd also watch that cell near Crystal Springs. That lead cell as it starts to head off towards Little Rock. That one could cause some problems.
Okay, let me see here. I'm not liking this right now, man. Okay, it looks like that shrimp supercell near Jonesboro is not looking so good on radar now. Mm, 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 mm.
Nah. I watched that one to the southwest of Jonesboro though. Batesville cell. The
Wait.
top just trying to get a little higher. Starting to look more like a beam.
Um, Colin, you've been here the whole time. Just chatting. Mm,
Oh yeah,
what storm?
Blue Mountain. I think I just got a new
Oh
update.
my gosh, the new reflectivity scan. There's a chaser about to get clobbered with it too.
Who's out there?
Vincent Crackhead.
Vincent Welty?
No, Vincent Crackhead.
Vincent Crackhead?
Yeah,
Who's that?
I have no clue. It's just a random spot on network dot.
Tell me there's no chasers on that cell? Oh, that was a pretty sick tornado near Jonesboro earlier.
Oh yeah, I know. That was really cool. Missile scale analysis. Oh, we do. Let me look at the 3 gate, bro.
We got new meso analysis? Wait, never mind.
22Z. I mean, it's not new, but I mean,
That low level jet is gonna start ranking here in a second.
add 0Z.
Yeah.
Little Rock's probably launching a 0Z sounding too.
I feel like that sounding's gonna be nuts. New reflectivity, it's still
There's a
hooking.
storm
We'll
near
see.
Logan. That storm is in Logan County, and there's a camera with a well-defined lull cloud with it. The low-level rotation on it seems to be dying, but the middle levels are getting a bit better on it. I will say. Oh yeah, mid-level's getting a lot better.
There's about 3 or 4 cells in Western Arkansas right now. They're just ready to go nuclear. I'd really watch that storm headed toward Conway too.
Yeah. Let me look. Yeah. Oh shoot, Conway's a really populated area too.
Surprised this isn't tornado warned.
What storm?
The one near Blue Mountain.
I'm not necessarily surprised. The rotation isn't looking so hot right now. And the low levels, at least. Mid levels are cranking. There are like 5 chasers, 6 chasers coming down to it. Oh my gosh, the new velocity scan on Little Rock, dude.
Huh. Jeez. I see what you're talking about now.
Yep. 3 concurrent viewers, welcome. That cell down there I'm looking at is trolling me. What are you talking about, man? Let me show the mid-level mezzo on stream here. There y'all go. Let's see here. Newest rap for tonight goes nuts.
Let's see.
Oh. It has a big capping inversion, but I don't expect that. Yeah, the wrap looks like it's overdoing the surface cap a lot.
Is there any surface cap left right now?
There's no surface cap, but I'm saying like it's overdoing it for tonight.
Yeah.
Wow, that mid-level mezzo's nuts.
Yeah. And that storm to its southeast starting to really get its act together as well. All of these storms are right now.
Everybody is dropping south on the storm right now.
Everything's spinning right now. Tell you that.
Oh yeah. No new tornado warnings or anything right now. Let me just check Memphis radar. Yeah, nothing right now. Watching that storm by Jonesboro for anything, or the one near Pocahontas, because those two still have potential to produce tornadoes. We also have an organizing storm near Batesville, which I can show off the Little Rock radar. Right here, this thing is organizing fast. Oh yeah, watch Batesville. Dude, off the Little Rock radar, 7,500 feet up, that thing's got nasty rotation.
Yep.
But 2,000 feet off the surface, it's not so bad. Just needs to translate down right now. And also big time inflow with it too. Might see a tornado warning with this storm soon.
Yeah. We're also looking at satellite right now. A lot of these storms, their tops are starting to.
They're starting to go.
Yep, they're all starting to go. Even some of those bubblers out in southwest Arkansas.
Yeah.
Yeah, they're starting to go too. Yeah. That's on near Parks, southwest of the Blue Mountain storm. On near Parks, starting to get some rotation as well.
Oh my gosh, I gotta turn you down a ton on my thing.
Yeah, I know. I'm really loud as
Oh
well.
my gosh, I gotta turn you down a ton on my thing.
Yeah, I know. I'm really loud as well.
Oh my gosh, I gotta turn you down a ton on my thing. Can you try talking again?
Yeah, I know. Hello.
Okay.
Look at the station near Russellville. Really loud.
Oh my gosh, I gotta turn you down.
Near Russellville. Really loud. Oh my gosh. Station's on.
Okay, let me keep turning you down just a bit.
Yeah, keep turning me down, bro. I was really loud.
Tell me when you aren't so loud.
I don't have your stream up right now.
Probably something you should have up.
All right, let me get it up real quick. All right, hold on. Let me talk. All right, hold on. Keep going down, way down.
Oh, you want me to go like way down more?
Like, turn me about halfway down. Let me talk. Hold on. Keep going down.
Oh, low level mezzo's going nuts. We're about to have a tornado and probably a strong one.
Let me talk. Hold on. Wait, on which storm?
The one in Western Arkansas. Holy crap.
Oh yeah, we're about to get a tornado. I told you, and that plot near Russellville, that station, is completely out of the southeast.
Tornado warning, tornado warning. Oh my gosh, the new scan. Whoa! That's trouble.
Yeah, we're about to get a Siggy.
Is it better on the thing now?
I think so. Yeah.
Check it again.
All right, hold on. Testing. Hold on. Testing. Hold on.
Is that good? Like,
Yeah.
audio now? I might turn you down just a tad bit still.
Yeah, keep turning me down. Testing. Hold on. Yeah. Honestly, Andrew,
What?
like, turn me like very low. I still sound really loud on there.
Okay, is that better now?
It's a little bit better. I still sound really loud though.
Dude, I can't turn it down much more or else it'll turn you completely off. Maybe I need to turn the sound on my computer down.
Oh yeah. Tornado warning.
24 is not bad. I can turn it to. Oh, yep, there's our tornado warning. We're probably about to get a debris signature in the next 15 minutes, probably.
Would not be surprised. This thing could go on for quite a while too, once it gets down. I'd really watch those bubblers moving into the Little Rock area. If any of those mature, it's going to be a long day. Ooh, newest scan. Reflectivity looks.
Can you check audio again?
Scan. Second. Reflectivity looks.
Okay, the audio looks good now. I just checked it out. It's a little loud, but I don't know if I'd be able to turn it down much more.
Okay. Sounds good. You see that newest scan?
Yeah.
Okay, well, our velocity doesn't look as serious in the newest scan, but
No, it's because it was contaminated. This isn't contaminated anymore.
okay.
It actually still looks really significant. Probably a bit more significant than the last scan. Yeah. That's not good.
Yeah, this thing's gonna go.
Very deep meso loft. And this thing has echo tops approaching 40,000 feet as well. This is not what you want to see. If you are in Clarksville, Scranton, Sublocco, Delaware, Piney, Knoxville, Lamar, Scranton, Prairie View, Morris Bluff, you need to be taking your tornado precautions now. Paris, Arkansas has had a significant increase in lightning density. Let me check that out, McCallum. Where is that exactly, if you're still here? Oh, I see that storm. Paris, wherever that is. Where's that? Oh, it's the storm that we're talking about right now. Oh. Took a more right motion turn. Yeah, this thing is deviating on us, which is not good at all.
No, if this thing turns right, it's gonna tornado.
Let me just look at the motion. It's deviating. The meso loft at 2.4 is nuts. Yep, I know, McCallum. The Warren Storm is the one you're talking about.
Yeah, well, newest scan velocities definitely weakened quite a bit.
Low level velocity is going to fluctuate for right now. We know the meso loft is very strong. So, it's probably... Oh, it looks like it's recycling. There's a new meso forming just to the north. Probably just
Yeah.
recycling.
Also, those storms to the south of this are all starting to go.
That inversion probably just lifted then.
Yeah, they're gonna blow up. especially looking at satellite too. These things are booming.
Yeah. Oh wow, this is getting some nice DBZs now. All the rest of the storms just to the south of it are looking nuts too.
Mm-hmm.
Well, it's actually building, not recycling. Sorry, it's organizing.
Let's see when that velocity word.
You're playing this stream again, bro.
I like to see it for the storm chasers.
What is it looking like for them right now?
I don't know if anybody is on this right now, on the storm. Actually, Mike. Okay, Mike Scantlin is about to be on it, so we're about to see it.
All right.
Yeah, we're about to see it if you look on Ryan's screen, but can't tell if the storm is cycling. I think it looks like it's cycling a little bit.
I think it's kind of cycling and or organizing at the same time, to be honest with you.
Yeah.
Kind of doing a little bit of both right now.
One thing to note, the tops on this cell are now up to 40,000 feet. The storm near Knoxville. So
Dude, the Fort Smith sounding is really good. Oh, the new scan. Oh, it's organizing. Really good. If you guys have any information in chat to kind of pass it along, right now, anything that'll be great. Jake, do you have anything to give to me?
not as of right now.
Okay.
But given the recent storm motion, it does look like this storm is going to be tracking up towards Knoxville and the Piney area. So if you are in those areas, I'd go ahead and take shelter. Storm also does look like it's deviating a little bit east, which does mean tornado potential will gradually increase here in the next couple of minutes. Newest scans
Oh, the
looking
new
pretty.
mid-level meso scan. Oh boy.
Yeah, if you are in Knoxville and Piney, I'd say, yeah, definitely go ahead and get in shelter because I think we'll see a tornado very, very soon in those areas. And yeah, that mid-level mezzo is looking rather impressive.
Max Olson is on the storm.
Okay, I got a picture right now for you. I just sent it to your direct messages in Twitter. I'd go ahead and pull it up on stream. It's a picture of the storm headed towards Knoxville.
Okay,
And
breaking information. Yesterday, the tornadoes that happened in Iowa, the twin tornadoes. So what happened was, we had an EF3. It killed somebody and also injured somebody. And then there was another tornado that was an EF2 with the same storm. The EF3 tracked 16 miles.
Jesus.
Yeah. Alright, I'm back.
Watch that lead cell too on the southern cells, the one near honestly the one near Little Rock. I don't know how to describe. I don't even know what town that's in, but just north of Hot Springs, already starting to develop some rotation, and cloud tops are starting to overshoot as well.
Bro, I see that. What is happening, dude?
This cell is really confusing. I have no idea what this thing is doing right now.
Hmm. Um... Hey, Ben Williams, let's go.
Did you see what I sent you?
What?
His
I already saw
post.
that. I have your Twitter notifications on.
Oh, okay, got you.
Total of 7 people have died from yesterday.
Died from tomorrow.
I
Wait,
meant
died from yesterday.
yesterday, sorry.
Oh, I was like, what? Yeah, it's awful. Which storms killed people? Was it both the northern and the southern storms, or
Yeah. Oh my
I
god,
didn't?
Little Rock radar.
Yeah, I know. I'm seeing that right now. All of these things are maturing right now. All these cells. Uh, where's Blaine, Arkansas? I don't know. I'm about to retweet something. If you want to go and check that out. Um,
Oh wow. Oh my god, off the little, everything's just going insane right now. The mid-level mezzo, or the mezzo with the little rock storm just above the surface is very concerning. Yeah, we're gonna get a tornado with that storm just west, just near Knoxville in a little bit here.
Yeah, I agree. Oh, wow.
What?
Hold on. Um, I have a stream that has a really good visual right now, I think. Just give me 1 second. Also, one thing that really needs to be noted is that that Knoxville storm. In the past 3 or 4 scans, the lightning density has dramatically increased that storm, which indicates intensification.
Oh yeah. Just above the surface is nuts, dude.
Oh, where is this? Andrew, I'm gonna send you a link.
We're probably getting massive hail right now with this.
I'm gonna send you a link to a stream with live storm footage. You obviously can't show it on. I don't think you can show it on stream, but I I think that's worth taking a look at. Not quite sure where this storm is. It's over some sort of lake. Oh, okay. I know exactly where this is.
Where is it?
That is the Knoxville cell. That's okay. That makes sense. It's over that body of water.
From a storm that looks like this on radar. But there's something isn't clicking. Something isn't clicking here.
By the way, this is gonna have a better chance of tornadoing in the next hour because it's ingesting better SRH values now.
Immediately.
Yeah. So that was a Knoxville storm. Doesn't look too
Looks like the
organized,
mezzo
honestly.
just separated from the storm with the new reflectivity scan. Looks like it's recycling.
Yeah, I think it may be starting to recycle. Something's happening. It's not. It's not going to produce a tornado in the next 5 to 10 minutes. I don't think.
Oh shoot, I'm not even been looking at the Portsmouth radar the whole time. Whoops. Should have changed it.
Wow. I just DM'd you something, Andrew, worth taking a look at and showing on stream.
On Twitter?
Yeah. I just retweeted and DM'd it to you. That thing looks nasty.
But there's a huge wall cloud with this tornado warning storm near London, Arkansas. If you are anywhere in Lemire, London, Delaware, Pinery, Clarksville, Dover, you need to be taking your tornado precautions right now.
Six 6,000 feet.
Might get a new tornado warning near Blue Ball.
Where near Blue Ball?
Yep.
Agreed.
Very low wall cloud near
Uh,
Life now. Not with this storm, it's a different one. Oh, it's one in northern Arkansas. It's the one that produced the Jonesboro tornado, just southwest of there. What?
the thoughts and prayers
Yeah, I saw that.
is for London, Arkansas.
Whoa, the new scan.
I don't even know the new velocities. Hold on.
Oh, Chris just posted something up until, and it looks nuts. Um, just about 0.5 kilometers off the surface. That's not good. This is gonna produce. You need to be taking your tornado precautions if you're in new tornado warning, by the way, too. New tornado warning is in effect for Dover, Hector, London, Piney, Knoxville, Lamar, and Hagerville. Only a little bit above the surface, we have a really strong meso, and it goes really far up into tilt, too.
Oh yeah. Yeah, this storm's about to do it. Um, I'm watching Mike Scantlin's stream. He's on a wall cloud right now on that storm. That thing has quite a bit of rotation as well. It looks like.
I have too many Twitter windows open right now. Let me close some of them.
It's also worth noting that the cell immediately to its southeast has really started to mature as well, and now has tops up to 31,000 feet. And then we have another storm south of that that is also starting to mature.
That
And
Knoxville
we
storm is gonna drop something very soon. It's 23Z now, by the way.
okay.
0 to 1 kilometer SRH of 200, along with mixed Cape at 1,500.
Something tells me you're about to have a long tracker. There's also a tornado warning in northeastern Arkansas.
Oh,
I don't
yep,
know.
that's the very low wall cloud. We're gonna need to watch that closely.
There's two supercells up in northeastern Arkansas. So
Oh,
just
both
thought.
of them got warned.
Andrew,
Yeah.
this thing's literally about to tornado right now. Let me share my screen real quick on Discord.
I need to close my door, so.
Look at this thing. It's about to produce.
I'm watching that same stream right now, dude.
Can you see my stream?
Yeah, I'm watching it on YouTube right now. Dude, that's doing it. Oh,
It's about to
no.
produce a wedge. There's about to be a wedge. That strong tornado right now. Oh no! Don't turn away! Don't turn away!
Boo.
He just turned away, but I think that thing's about to wedge. Yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and say that thing's on the ground. So, if you are anywhere near Knoxville and immediately east, Scottsville, Dover, Hector, you guys need to go ahead and be in your shelter right now because it looks like this storm is producing a large tornado. Yeah, this is not a good situation right now for the people in that area.
Oh my gosh, dude, look at the hook echo.
Yeah, this thing's producing.
We also have storms in northeastern Arkansas that we need to watch. Places like Success, Delado, Corning, and Moorock are in a tornado warning, along with Stonewall, Wafe, Gainesville, Oakville Heights, and Boydville, and Piggott. You guys are in tornado warning as well, and McDowell and McDougall.
Let's see if Mike Scantlin can get on this. Oh, that was a tornado. I'm almost certain there's a tornado on the ground right now.
Look at the new photograph, dude.
Send it to me.
Ben Williams just said big time wall cloud developing. Starting to see a lot more low level rotation. It's happening soon.
Yeah, and I think that's the one that Mike was on. I think that picture's from a couple of minutes ago too. Oh yeah, look at the new scan. This thing has so much inflow shooting into it right now.
I know.
One thing that is to note though is that storm immediately to its southeast is on a more northern track. So that thing could definitely interfere.
Yeah, storm interference could be a problem today.
But it still looks like it has about 20 to 30 minutes to produce whatever it's going to produce. And at this point, it doesn't look like it's whatever this thing's about to produce is going to be nasty. Oh, Mike Scantlin's back on it. Check my stream out. It looks like a big time wall cloud.
Somebody said that's about a wedge. No kidding.
Do you see that, Andrew? That's what the storm looks like right now.
Wow.
It's about a wedge. We're about to get a big time tornado out of this thing. It's got a new scan.
The reflectivity, dude, it just gets more impressive.
Right back.
All right. Wow. The levels just increased more.
Yeah. This supercell is.
Oh man, he's really aspiring to.
Yeah, as long as that storm doesn't interfere with it, I could see a very violent long track tornado. Not out of the question.
Yep. Looks like this velocities are looking a lot better. I wouldn't say very violent, but maybe a violent tornado. I'd more say intense.
I just said a long track tornado, more so. An intense long track tornado. That's probably how I should word it.
Not violent. 88% prob torb with it, by the way.
I mean, there is the potential for a violent tornado today. That's not out of the question, per se.
Mm-hmm.
Oh yeah, newest scan's looking even better. Yeah, if I were in the Scottsville area, I'd be getting underground if
Dover,
possible.
London, Hagerville, Scottsville, Hector, all need to be in your safe spot.
This is headed towards a
Also,
relatively populated area.
Northeast Arkansas. Sorry to cut you off, Jake, but Northeast Arkansas again. We have tornado warnings with those storms. Those are more.
Look at my Scanlon stream. Look at my screen, Andrew. That thing's about to wedge. Look at that motion. That may actually be a wedge
That might
tornado.
be on the ground.
I believe that's on the ground. I'm gonna go ahead and say that's an intense wedge. It looks like a wedge right now.
Oh, there. Again, you're leaving it very well.
I think that's on
Yeah,
the ground. That's gotta be on the ground.
that's on the ground. Yep, I see vortices. Yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and say this is probably a large violent tornado right now. That looks like a wedge, guys.
Find this out in a metal building, in a big warehouse, in a
What's the stream called? Storm Chase TV? Oh, it's Storm Chase TV.
You gotta go. You gotta get your.
That's Mike Scantlin. Yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and say this thing's on the ground. Oh yeah, look at the latest scan. Look at the latest scan, Andrew. That thing's on the ground.
Oh my gosh! There's a CC drop potentially too. I'm not sure though.
It's hard to tell. I'm gonna go ahead and say this thing is.
I'd say it's on the ground. Yeah.
I think we got a large violent tornado on the ground right
I
now.
wouldn't say violent. I'd say strong to intense.
By violent, I mean there's violent motion on the wall cloud, and what I'm saying.
I'm gonna go on Ryan Hall's stream because I am trying to actually see it in better quality. I'm gonna have it muted though, just so I can give y'all updates. I'm gonna have his thing muted.
Extremely intense tornado on the ground right now.
Why is everything super pixely for me? There we go. Is this gonna be better now? Or no?
Just by the motion of that wall cloud, this thing's about to produce, if it's not already producing, a very intense tornado.
New tornado about to drop near Leif, Arkansas. Jeff's on
Where?
the storm.
Which storm?
Leif, Arkansas, northern Arkansas.
Leif.
Yeah. Huge B-word.
Okay, Mike Scantlin stream's down right now.
Oh my god, the new velocity scan. That's gotta be a strong tornado.
You know, yeah, I'd be super surprised right now if there's no tornado on the ground with this. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Yeah, no, that. Jeez. You know what this reminds me of right now? Like just off a radar presentation, it looks exactly like the Selden tornado. Selden, Kansas. Last year.
Tornado Genesis imminent with this thing, guys. If you, Andrew, look at the others and no, Colin, we're mainly focused on this thing right now. I mean, we're probably about to have a strong tornado drop on the ground. Yes, there are multiple other storms. I will quickly look at them, I guess. We have 2 tornado warnings in northern Arkansas, and they're in the middle of nowhere radar coverage wise. Let me check.
Yeah. Well, one thing to note though is that storm directly southeast of the storm that looks like it's probably producing a strong tornado.
We might have a CC drop with the new scan.
Yeah.
Let me see. Is that a CC drop? No, it's clear air. Thank God. There's no tornado yet.
Interesting. Yeah, this thing's about to undergo some storm interference. It's about to suck up that cell directly southeast of it.
Whoa, that new velocity scan's concerning.
Yeah, I agree. Okay, Mike Scantlin streams back up, so I'll let you know if I see anything. Oh yeah, look at that new velocity. Jesus.
Blue Mountain, Arkansas has a beautiful supercell, by the way, right now. Don't know where that is.
I'm
Oh
so
my gosh,
surprised.
Little Rock Photograph has 255 S or H now.
I'm
Didn't
so
know that
surprised
was.
on the ground right now.
I don't know. We might get it on the ground with the next scan, if I'm gonna be honest with you.
Yeah, we're about to see some storm interference, I think.
Yeah, maybe.
Okay, that's new
TDS,
velocity.
TDS, TDS, TDS. Tornado on the ground. A re-signature too. Yep, tornado on the ground.
Holy crap! Look at that rotation. Look at that rotation. Are you sure?
Let me check if there's gonna be a TDS on it from Little Rock here with the latest, with the new scans. Dude, this is not good.
Oh, the amount of inflow ramping into this is ridiculous.
Big TDS with the new scan. Oh my gosh,
On
intense, 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 intense. Very intense rotation. 70 knot VROT. 71 knot VROT.
right now, we are not getting any stream footage. Oh my gosh! Look at the latest scan.
Yeah, 70 knot, 71 knot VROT.
There's no way that's not on the ground
That's
right
an
now.
intense tornado ongoing. That's intense, easily intense.
Oh, tornado on the ground. Ben Williams, 21 seconds ago.
Let's go! Huge tornado on the ground. Let's go! Oh, here's a video. Ben! Yeah!
Yep. Look at that motion, too. Holy crap. Yeah, that's an intense tornado right there. Holy crap. Yeah, we're about to see the storms to its southwest interfere with it, so that may prevent it from being a long tracker.
I don't think so, to be honest with you, Jake. I don't think so.
I don't know. It may hit her tornado potential for just a little bit.
52 knot VROT with this scan. A little bit weaker. That is a strong tornado on the ground, guys.
I'm not sure if it's on the ground anymore.
Look at Little Rock. That radar is closer now, apparently.
Yeah, I don't think it's on the ground anymore.
I think it's on the ground still, dude. We're kind of in the radar hole right now. Why hasn't this been a PDS yet either? I'm kind of questioning that.
No, they haven't made it a Torah either. Look at that motion, though. Holy cow.
If y'all could please like this so we can get this on kind of the algorithm. Subscribe, that'd be great. Oh my god, the new velocity scan. Trouble. Very much trouble. Tor R. Not sure if it's PDS though. Just a Tor R. Kind of surprising, but whatever.
You see that latest scan?
Oh my god, bruh.
Yeah, we're in a big time radar hole right now, which sucks.
Okay, it's contaminated, so disregard it. Let me go to the Little Rock radar thing. There you go.
Oh yeah, Torah.
Yep. Ben Williams' tweet about the tornado on the ground already has 120 likes.
It has over 1,000 views.
It does? Dang, he just tweeted that out 4 minutes ago. That's intense motion, bro.
Yeah, really intense. Look at the upward motion on that thing. That thing is drilling. I don't know if there's a tornado on this thing right now. There's no CC drop. New tornado warnings in northeast Arkansas.
There's a
Sorry, I
CC
mean
drop.
into Missouri. Ooh, Andrew?
Yeah.
Hold on, I'm gonna pull up a stream. This is from a storm in northeast Arkansas. There's some strong rotation on it.
Might be a tornado on the ground in northeast Arkansas. Oh no.
This one near Walnut Grove, there's definitely some strong rotation on it. Looks like a tornado trying to form. If you look at uh, my screen.
Yeah.
Yeah, it looks like storm interference may just destroy the supercell here in a little bit. Not gonna lie.
Well, is the merger gonna be favorable? That's what we need to know.
Hard to tell. Oh, yep. Tornado warning now on the storm near Walnut Ridge.
Oh yeah, that's from literally in another radar hole. Let's go.
So many radar holes right now. They extended the Tor R,
Pog. Good job.
although the rotation appears to be
I'm not
weakening.
sure anymore, dude.
Huh?
I'm not sure with this storm anymore, bro.
I'm not sure
It's
either.
in the it's in a radar hole. I'm just gonna assume it's on the ground.
I don't know. Well, that storm immediately to its south is going to start raining on its inflow, so that may hinder tornado potential for a little bit. If it merges, we could be talking um, another intense tornado, but it looks like all those storms to its south are just going to rain
Funnel
onto its
cloud on the Black Rock storm.
funnel cloud.
Yep.
New mesoscale discussion. Recent surface analysis locates a developing low over far northwest Arkansas with surface winds across the northwestern quarter of Arkansas remaining backed east southeasterly in response. As a southerly low-level jet increases over the next few hours with flow, then veering southwesterly and increasing further through the mid-levels, increasingly favorable shear will prevail this evening across wash area at this time to yourself. Classic reflectivity characteristics. Near Little Rock area is moving northeastward at 35 knots. This storm appears to be producing severe caliber hail. A tornado has just been reported by spotters. Elsewhere, a few weekly rotating updrafts have been transiently observed and expect additional development, particularly across the western half of the watch over the next couple of hours. So the SPC is expecting supercellular development over the western half of the watch, or at least storm development. Confirmed large damaging tornado near Hector in Arkansas. This is a dangerous situation.
That's the storm that we're looking at right now.
Yeah.
Who said that?
Uh, that was Justin Lewis. I don't know if he's on the storm or if he's just saying that.
He's probably just saying
Yeah.
that. Oh, yeah, he's just saying that.
Yeah.
He's not chasing it right now. This thing might not be in the ground anymore. I haven't heard anything from storm chasers for a while, though, so I don't know.
Might be terrible cell service, considering it's kind of out in the wherever. But velocity suggests to me that this storm is currently either undergoing a cycle or that storm is interfering with it and it just needs to ingest it and then it'll continue to produce. It looks like storm interference. It looks like the updrafts right now of the two storms are merging. So I'd give it another 20, 30 minutes before this thing produces a tornado. I'll be back in a little bit. I'm going to go eat some dinner and then I'll continue to help out.
Okay. Still have a nice supercell structure here with this. I think the tornado is probably off the ground now. Um, yeah, I think it's probably off the ground now. I'm not sure though. CC is pretty messy with it. Um, really solid hook shape with this. I think this storm probably is recycling right now. Looks like it's kind of lost its ZDR a bit over the last few minutes as well. Let me kind of look at the product tilt window. Let's see. Let me look on the velocity. Yeah, mid-level mezzo's still really good, but the low-level mezzo's not great with it right now. The supercell to the south is really starting to go near Clinton. Also, the winds are we don't know what the winds are. Dang it. Winds are back near Russellville though, so that's interesting. We're going to get a new velocity scan. Now. Bang. PDS tornado warning. Large tornado still on the ground. So there is our answer. We just had a storm chaser report that this thing is still well on the ground. Not a good situation at all. I will be back in a sec. Oh, real quick, Mississippi is going to be fine today. The severe risk in Mississippi is very small. There's a small risk for an isolated damaging wind gust later tonight. Tomorrow, the severe risk in Mississippi is a little bit higher, but even then, it's not very high, and your main threat is damaging winds. But I will be back in a minute. Alrighty, I am back. We currently have a new tornado on the ground in Arkansas. So this is a probably a new strong tornado that has literally just dropped on the ground right now at this moment in time. Um Not good. Jake, are you back? Not good at all. Okay, correction. There's not a tornado on the ground right now, but there probably will be one on the ground within the next 5 minutes. I'm gonna guarantee you that. New tornado warning all the way for Clinton, Arkansas. There are multiple other storms. Oh no, multiple other storms that are getting warned for this as well. This is not good. Is it a little bit higher just a second ago? 46. I don't know, but I don't care. Multiple supercells have now gotten warned. I'm going to keep it on just the 2 right now. Let's kind of point these out. So we have one right here. This is going to be merging with a bunch of other storms. This is not good. Hopefully this merger kills the storm, but I highly doubt that.
I'm back. Yeah, this merger is about to really enhance the tornado potential.
Oh, yeah, very favorable merger.
Yeah. I also like to note that we do have some additional development.
We also have tornadoes in northern Missouri and southern Arkansas as well.
Southern Missouri and northern Arkansas. Yeah. Also, this merger also seems to be increasing the rotation in this cell, which is interesting. From the Little Rock radar, at least.
Yeah, that's the radar you'd be looking at right now, or should be looking at right now.
Yeah.
I took a little bit of a break too. I had to go to the bathroom, do some stuff, so I did that. Looks like western Arkansas, you're good right now. Looks like the squall is developing along the cold front, but it's not significant yet.
No.
Little Rock area, you're not so much good right now. Not Little Rock itself, but north of there. And yeah, we still have a confirmed tornado in northern Arkansas.
We're gonna get that Little Rock sounding pretty soon here, I think. That 0Z Little Rock sounding.
Yeah. Heavily rotating wall cloud.
Yeah. Once this thing merges, it's gonna spell a lot of trouble.
Currently, it looks like it's just going through the process right now. It's gonna take it a little bit to kind of get going, but.
Yeah.
Where is that, Colin? Like, I don't really know where that is. Like, you gotta give me... Is that in northern Arkansas, western Arkansas, central Arkansas, Colin? Like...
Also like to note the amount of inflow on this thing is kind of ridiculous right now.
Anthony just... If you know Anthony Hamberman, he just said the 0Z sounding should sample the storm well, and I agree with him. It'll sample the inflow environment. And the photographs are huge right now. So.
I feel like that sounding's about to be just nuts.
Really good, yeah.
Yeah.
I mean, over the storm right now, we have 200 SRH and 1,200 SRH.
It also looks like there may be a supercell going up west of the Little Rock area. Just want to let you know, near Odin.
Maybe. That thing's been trying to go for a while, though.
Not really. That thing literally just popped up over the past 3 scans and just has intensified a
Oh,
bunch.
that?
Yeah.
Oh. We'll watch.
Yeah, this thing near Leslie and Denard's about to produce a pretty nasty tornado here in the next 20 to 30 minutes.
Colin, no cursing in the chat, by the way.
Huh?
I'm talking to Colin, just put a bunch of cuss words in the chat. No. Just no.
Inflow on this thing. Holy cow. Do you see that?
What?
The inflow on this thing.
Yeah.
Once it sucks a cell up, it's going to take about 5 minutes to just go absolutely
I
bonkers.
think there might be a brief tornado on the ground right now.
Yeah, we may have a tornado on the ground right now with this thing.
It's not going to be very strong, but I think we have a weak tornado on the ground right now.
Yeah. It's getting its act. Yeah, OZARKS just said, I've got a feeling that the storm merger might have increased the tornado potential with this storm. It's getting its act together super fast. I need that Little Rock sounding to come out ASAP.
Oh, yeah, I saw that tweet too.
Vince Whaley's on the storm right now.
I think everybody's on the storm, dude.
Actually, there's quite a bit of people up in northeast Arkansas.
True.
I've actually seen more from that storm than this storm.
Yeah, that's a tornado in progress.
Oh, yeah. Yeah. I really think, yeah, that storm west of Little Rock right now that I said looks like it may be
Where is
starting.
it exactly?
It's northeast of Odin. It's, do you see Mount Ida?
Good God, yep. That's gonna do it soon.
Yeah, no, those tops are now overshooting, starting to overshoot, and yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, I think that thing's about to, yeah, that thing's about to become a supercell soon. Can't even tell where the cold front. Okay, yeah. Oh, so yeah, this is still well out ahead of the cold front. That's not a cold front storm. That's a supercell.
That's an open warm sector supercell.
Yeah.
It's not a cold front. There's really not anything to worry about in like western Arkansas right now.
Yeah, that was about the most favorable storm merger that it could have gotten.
Oh my God, the Little Rock sounding. I think it might be glitched though.
Where?
Only has 700 ml cape.
Send it my way. $700 MLK. That's an interesting sound. The one from earlier looked a little better, I think. Quite a cap, though.
That Hodo is really improved.
Yeah, look at the amount of inflow just flowing into this thing. Holy crap. Yeah, if you are in Denard, Flag, Timbo, Mountain View, now's a great time to start getting into your shelter. Because the cell merge is pretty much almost completely happened, and then this thing's going to drop a tornado very shortly. I give it about 10-15 minutes. We're going to have a pretty strong tornado on the ground. Especially given the inflow that this thing is ingesting right now. And yeah, that storm, yeah, it looks like we have another supercell going up in western Arkansas. So I'd watch that too over the next hour as well.
Already some hail produced with that Sims storm in Arkansas there, West Little route.
Yep. Tops are going up as well, for sure.
I haven't even been paying attention, but I think the New York severe weather event busted for today. Nothing's happened over there, at least to my knowledge.
Yeah. Yeah, this storm's a little concerning, I'm not gonna lie. Just a little bit right now.
Stop putting cuss words in the chat, dude. Oh, the merger's going to be complete in probably 10 to 15 minutes. So places like Mountain View are probably going to see significant tornado potential with this.
100%. We're probably gonna see a big one too. I'm not gonna lie. Also, if you are in the Russellville, Atkins area, pretty much anything along I-40 west of Little Rock, I'd go ahead and start paying attention to the weather because it does look like another cell is going up. And given the photograph from the 0Z sounding, that thing's going to start to spin
Okay,
relatively soon.
for me because I'm going to be having dinner. It's probably going to take 15 to 30 minutes. So, and that's probably what this one's going to produce.
Yeah, I'll jump in whenever something of note happens. By the way, Andrew's stream, I'm gonna pop in and say there is a tornado on the ground near Flag, Arkansas. We're hearing the power flashes, and it looks like it's a relatively big one as well. So if you are in that area, go ahead and get in shelter. We also have a developing supercell west of Little Rock area, and that will go ahead and cause some problems here in the near future.
Jake, are you here?
Yeah,
This looks like it's probably going to be an intense tornado soon.
yeah, I agree. That cell up west of Little Rock is also going up as well. It already has some rotation associated with it.
Did anything happen when I was gone?
No, not that I'm aware of. Oh yeah, look the latest velocity scan near flag.
Yeah.
Uh, I'm gonna go ahead and say this thing's about to produce.
Has
Unintense.
anybody been talking in the chat, or have you not been looking?
I've been tracking on my radar and popping in whenever uh, something of note happens.
Wow. That cell to the south's gonna do something really soon.
I agree.
Oof, that ZDR profile. That southwest of Little Rock is so freaking not screen. We might have a CC drop. Your flag. I think that's a CC drop. Yep.
Sometimes like energy.
You have your
Looks,
stream
yeah, it looks like we have a CT drop. What?
up. I can hear Ryan Hall's stream.
Oh, you can?
Yeah.
Hold on, let me fix that. My bad.
Yep, it's on the ground.
Yeah, I believe so.
What? I'll be back in a minute. I gotta do something.
Okay.
Alright, I'm back again. Huge new tornado warning, by the way, y'all. Circulation is ramping up big time.
Oh yeah. The inflow into this storm is also still nuts. You've got 90-mile-an-hour inflow just flowing into this.
I think it's still trying to merge too.
Yeah.
Huge new tornado warning though.
This thing has like 80 miles to work with. This thing is so discreet.
That other storm forming near Little Rock's discreet if it can sustain itself.
It'll have a tough time, I think.
I think so too.
Especially given the stout cap that was observed on the zero-day sounding. Let's see.
Thanks.
Yeah, it still looks like maybe the merging is still trying to happen, or something's going on right now. It almost looks like it's cycling. CC is still observed though. Or there's still CC.
Weak tornado though.
View into the base here.
They desperately need a radar in northern Arkansas.
Southern Missouri. Jonesboro radar.
Whoa.
Watch something in southern Kentucky right now really closely.
And where?
Southern Kentucky. It's along the warm front, it looks like. Oh wait, no, it's north of the warm front. Never mind.
This is crazy. This is interesting. It almost looks like there's like a new meso trying to develop.
Dude, this lightning flash rate is nasty.
Yeah, no kidding.
I'm gonna have to turn off the lightning because I can't see the velocity. Cycling right now.
I think so as well. It looks like a new meso started to develop. Yeah,
Also, that
that's
storm in Kentucky and southern Illinois is actually on the warm front. Oh, shoot. We're gonna need to watch that as a secondary storm.
Are you talking the one near the Paducah radar, Andrew?
Yeah, that one.
You check that one out. Oh, what in the world? Holy cow. Yeah, that one looks interesting.
Yeah. It's got a really good CDR column, too. Bro, this is cringe right now.
Hmm,
Freaking Pivotal Weather doesn't have soundings with their models right now.
bro.
I have to go on Weather Nerds right now. I don't even think the wrap runs hourly on there. Oh, it does. Let's go. Okay, we're gonna look at the wrap right now for Southern Illinois. Let me do a nice zoom sector here. Let's just do a nice warm sector zoom in. Zoom in. Bang. Take a shot in here. Southern Illinois.
New convective outlook issued. If it's still.
Let me see this here. Slight extended even further northeast though. That's the thing. And the slight's been trimmed a lot out of western Arkansas too. Okay.
Oh yeah, whoa.
What?
Near Mountain View. It looks like there's like a secondary meso starting to develop.
Oh, yep, that's the main one too. Okay, yeah, I think that's the main. I think that's New Meso. All right, let's do some callouts here. So if you're in 56, Mount Olive, Boswell, Guin, Mountain View, Hanover, Timbo, Fox, Mount Pleasant, Zion, Sage, Melbourne, Newburgh, Boswell, Mount Olive, Calauco Rock, Pineville, Wideman, Oxford, Violet Hill, Franklin, Myron, and Horseshoe Bend. You need to be taking your tornado precautions right now. And actually, Tornadic Supercell have already produced tornadoes across our northern Arkansas, and once the sustained supercell is still ongoing. There are potential for these storms to assist and more additional supercells along with this. This will produce low-level hydrographs. Low-level hydrographs will be strong, and tornado potential will continue or increase. Let me show y'all this warm front supercell that we have near Paducah, Kentucky right now. Real quickly. There it is. Pretty impressive looking.
This storm looked like an hour or so.
Oh, that mezzo's going.
Mm-hmm.
The current Hutto in Paducah, Kentucky is very favorable for tornadic supercells as well. So we're going to have to keep that in mind. We might get a tornado with that storm soon. If it can keep kind of flirting with the warm front right now. A little bit hard to tell what it's doing though because of the radar and being so close to it. Might actually have an outflow boundary out ahead of it. That would be a no-no for tornado producing stuff.
I don't know. It looks like it might be it might have crossed the warm front.
Yeah.
Andrew.
By the way, props for tornado risk are down to 5%.
They are?
Apparently. I'm kind of surprised, but whatever.
There's still an enhanced risk.
It's probably 30 wind. Oh yeah, it's a 5. Oh wait, is this from College of DuPage has the tornado outlook from yesterday on their page. Bruh. It's a 5 hail now. And they have the 30 wind too. What? Who did the outlook?
It's still a 10 hatch.
You sure?
Yeah. 10 hatch
Oh,
over
it's a 10 hatched. Okay, sorry. False information. What's up, Black Tooth? How you doing? Whoa, cranking low-level Mezzo Mountain View.
Yep.
Also, severe thunderstorm warning along the front for Arkansas,
Oh,
and Missouri. Oh, we have a supercell along the cold front. And by the way, all that stuff that's forming in western Arkansas is open warm sector convection, by the way.
Really?
Yeah. Well, it's kinda. I think it's on the cold front though too, so. Yeah, there's supercells forming on the cold front right now. They're messy, but they'll probably upscale into a line. Ooh. How's our Little Rock storm do? Oh, that's a bit concerning. Let me switch this over to the Little Rock radar. Actually, why don't we switch this over to the SBC outlook too? What? Dude, photographs are really good right now. We've been ongoing for 3 hours now. And we've had 84 views, so that's pretty cool.
I'd be surprised if the supercell doesn't produce a tornado in the near future.
And if y'all are wondering, the capping will not affect this storm because it's already out in the open warm sector, so you're good. Um,
What?
Lloyd, he missed. There's just no way. Oh yeah, this. I think it's recycling right now.
Oh wow, yeah.
Right.
Dude, that storm in southern Illinois looks really interesting.
Yeah, maybe.
Yeah, here in a second, this storm's about to go into just the radar hole of death. What about to produce?
This thing's gonna start to really do it here.
Yeah, we're gonna have no idea whether or not this thing is producing a tornado from this point on, pretty much.
Somebody's going on and twisted about how this thing busted. This is funny, bro. But on a more serious note, still kind of tracking this thing. Not really that organized right now. It's kind of just getting its act together. Or no. But yeah, I think I think there's very well going to be potential for significant stuff. We'll just have to wait and see kind of what happens. A triple R a lot more convection modeled at this point, by the way, so just saying. This looks like another setup this year, Jake, where we got scorched by 700 millibar temps, bro. I'm gonna be here. I'm probably gonna be ending the stream if this storm does not get a confirmed tornado by 7:15. I will probably end up ending this thing. And Jake's not even here anymore, so yeah. I think this will probably conclude for right now. The storm is dying, and not really dying, but it hasn't done too much recently. So yeah, I'm gonna call it. It's been a fun 3 hours with y'all, a little bit over 3 hours. I will mainly be doing this stuff on Saturdays, Sundays, and Fridays most of the time. Not during the week unless I actually have a bunch of time on my hands, which probably won't be for a bit because I have a lot of makeup work to do, have a bunch of other stuff to do, and yeah, just note that I'm ending this. Even though I'm ending this, there is still potential for significant severe weather tonight, including a couple significant tornadoes still, and then along with that, there's still potential for numerous damaging wind gusts as well. Yep, that will do it.